Okay. So, like, first of all, losing losing people in your life is very difficult, especially close family, and it's pretty normal to be low. It's pretty normal to mourn. It's pretty normal to feel lonely after you've lost your mom, after you lost your brother. It's okay to feel sad. It is okay to be low. It's okay to be... It's like a cycle. It's a cycle of life. It's like we can't be productive all the time. We can't be happy all the time. You can't be ecstatic all the time. It's a cycle of almost like seasons of the earth cycle. It's like you have summer where everything is in bloom, everyone is extroverted, everyone is walking around with t-shirts and shorts, and everyone is dancing and laughing and happily. And then you have autumn, where things sort of go into this cocoon mode and the leaves are falling down. Nature does it, where it goes into death. And we don't have one birth and one death in our lifetime. We have many births and many deaths. Every day you wake up in the morning, it's a little birth. And then by the end of the day, it's autumn. Your leaves are shedding. You're slowly... and then you die. You let go of your old self. You go into full surrender when you go to sleep. And then in the morning you have a new fresh energy. But if we never went to sleep, if we tried to maintain this happiness, this extroverted thing all the time, and we never allowed ourselves these little deaths, people think that, I mean, like, depression is healthy. We need it. We need to be comfortable being low, because it's one part of your entire spectrum of human. You have a huge wavelength of human. You have depression, middle, ecstatic, middle, depression, middle, ecstatic, middle, and it's all right. The trick is to learn to be okay with it. Like, I'm so comfortable being low, especially because I'm a projector. I'm very low energy most of the time. I'm like on cruise control. I'm very melancholic most of the time. I'm very low. I'm like almost, it's almost like sadness is my default. Like, and I don't think that I'm depressed anymore. I don't think depression, I live there. I just live there. I'm cozy there. Because it's so nice not having to do things. For me, depression is my default. Because once you get beat up by life, by trauma, by sadness, by losing people, by being disappointed by people, like, it's not like you can see me jolly on lives. You can see me shoot the shit, and you can see me talk funny things, and people, you guys can make me laugh. It's not like I'm numb. I have been through the ringer. I have been through a lot of travail in my life. I've been through many challenges, many sadness, many depressing moments, and you just learn to pick yourself up. But you can only pick yourself up from depression if you become okay with it. Like, you can't get out of a thing if you are not first okay with being in the thing. So I see a lot of people struggling with depression. I see a lot of people struggling with anxiety. And the two things can be combined. So you are anxious because you want to get out of it. You want to move on, and that's okay. And you will move on. But you will move on when you become okay with the low. You will move on when you become okay with being sad. If you need to cry every day, I say this to my partner. She's like, when I tell her, but baby, you need to cry. You need to break down. You can't maintain this. you just can't maintain this perpetual positivity and happiness and ecstaticness and oh my god, life is so amazing all the time. It's not that. You can't do it. You have to. There has to be a period of low, of laying down on the floor and hugging yourself and, okay, now I'm sad a bit. Why are you sad? Because it's winter and I'm sad, and that's alright. Or because I just heard a sad song and I need to feel myself a little bit. And it's because we're in this productive society where, oh my god, what is wrong with you? Why are you so sad? Oh no, just be happy all the time. Oh my god. Like, this is human, and this is the floor, and the floor is also part of the human. Just get down on that floor and just be sad, and it's alright. So, it's everything is okay. The trick is not to stay there all the time. So even happiness, even, oh my god, life is so amazing. Like, I'm the first one that's gonna tell you, spread love. Yes, of course, guys, spread love and give to others and be happy and look at the positive things. But if you feel low, like, get down on the ground, go into your fetal position, put some music on and just breathe for 2 hours. And that's alright. If that lasts for a month, that's also alright. Like, we are all very different. If you lost your mom, that's difficult. That's like your mom, like, that's difficult. Maybe it's gonna take you years. It's like you lost a big part of yourself. You lost your brother, you grew up together. You lost your aunt, that's like your mom's sister. If you need to be sad, that's fine. You will gain yourself through that. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to be depressed. Think of depression as deep rest. You're not depressed, you're deeply resting. That's what your body needs. You need to cry. You need to be low, to walk slowly through the forest, to give yourself time, to sip on warm tea and look outside into a tree for 5 hours a day if you need to get back to yourself, to get in tune with your soul. If you're lonely, it would be best if you can talk to somebody. If you have nobody to talk to, you can book sessions with me. You can talk to me. You can express your feelings to me anytime you'd like. If you'd like a free 15-minute consultation call, we can talk about a little bit to get to know each other, and then you can book sessions. If not, you can just come to these lives and tell us things. There's a lot of people in the chat. Anyone can come here and share, and I will read your comment and I will acknowledge all of the things. And people in the comments will acknowledge the things. If you'd like, that's sort of a community support. Anyone can come on my live anytime and share whatever you guys want. Ask me questions. You will get support from me. You will get support from the community. If you'd like one-on-one private time, that's also accessible. Like I said, everything through my website. What else can I give you? A lot of gentle movement. So come back tomorrow for my moving meditation. Come back tomorrow, check out when it's on live on Insight Timer. Tomorrow I'm gonna host a moving meditation to get connected with the elements, with our body, with our breath, with the elements. Gentle, slow movement. So, and also for depression, so one side of it is actually accepting where you are and being sad and being okay with it. And the other thing is try doing something creative with it. Maybe do artwork from those emotions. Maybe write from those emotions. Maybe journal, maybe speak into the camera if you don't want to book sessions with somebody, or you don't have a friend to talk to, or you don't have a sibling to talk to. But you need to process these emotions either on your own or together with somebody. You also, I think you need hugs, you need touch from people. But if you don't have anyone, you can do like sort of things like this. Like that. Like just hold yourself and like sway from side to side. Just come tomorrow. We will do it together. We will do these things together.